I want you to take a deep breath in and out, and as you're breathing out, you keep the back relaxed. How was that?
That felt nice.
You got it? Good. Hey, it's Dr. Denke. I select spine and sports medicine. Today, I'm here with Matt and his girlfriend, former employee here, Isman. Brought him all the way from Oregon to have his first chiropractic treatment. So he's having some tightness in the upper back and neck, as well as low back pain. So we've done some therapies with him, showed him some exercises, I did some soft tissue, and now we're getting ready to do some adjustments, which is his first time, right? Never been to a chiropractor before?
Correct.
Yeah, so this will be fun. So I'm gonna have you lay on your stomach, face down, and see what we can get moving here. So I'm gonna have you drop your hands to the floor. Very good. And what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna go right there. So take your hands, move them to the outside of the armrest. Yeah, just keep that relaxed right there. All right. So what I'm gonna do is put a hand here and here. I want you to take a deep breath in and out, and as you're breathing out, you keep the back relaxed. And I'm gonna follow you out with pressure, 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 and then a little push there at the end, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead. And all the way out, relax. Good. Now, come down a little bit here. Same thing right there, in and out again. Perfect. Okay, here, I want you to breathe in and just hold your breath in now. Breathe in, all the way. Hold it right there. Certainly feel a lot more tension all across that right side there. So we'll go right here. So I'm going to hold right here. I'm going to tilt your head this way, and I'm just going to push right there, okay? You leave it all nice and relaxed. Perfect. Let's do this side. Here. Good. Okay, now I want you to turn on your side, lay on your shoulder and hip facing this way. I feel okay? Mm-hmm. So you're gonna bend here, keep that straight. You're gonna cross your arms here. Good. So I'm gonna hold here and I'm gonna roll your hips this way and then push a little bit more. Okay. So you're gonna keep this nice and relaxed here. I'm going to roll you this way some, and we'll push right there. Okay, now go the other way. That feel okay?
Yeah.
Switch bottom leg straight. Good. Top leg bent. Bring that there. And then across there. Good. Good. Nice and easy here. Good. Okay, now on your back. That feel okay? Mm-hmm. The fun part. Come up toward me just a little bit. Good. Here, actually, lift your head. I'm going to tear this off real quick. Good, relax now. Too much noise with that. Good. Alright, we're going to loosen up the side of the neck a little bit. This is where you were describing that pain when you first came in?
Yes.
Tilt you this way now. Little stretch there. Okay, I'm going to raise this. And so what I'm going to do is hold contact here with this finger. I'm going to tilt your head this way and tilt your chin down, and I'm just going to push a little bit right there, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Now let's do the same thing going this way. All right, sir. How was that?
That felt nice.
Got it? Good.